Welcome back everyone, this is Stuart from Dr. Drip Plumbing. Today we're looking at a water meter that seems to be located in the neighbouring property here at Stanmore in the inner west. So the customer's basically had his neighbour who's going to renovate, and obviously the meter is in the wrong position, so they're going to relocate it over to his side of the fence. So this is it on the neighbouring side property. We start excavating basically at the base of this, and we're going to try and work out how to get it across to the other side. So it's over there, just on the other side of that fence. You can see all the construction work going on in the background, and we're going to run it underneath the paved driveway and into the brick garden bed that's on the left hand side of our customer's driveway. So here we've exposed the pipe that's running across there, which really helped us out on the day. It meant we can use that to bring the water across, and we didn't have to do further excavation at that driveway. So we removed the pavers and obviously the backfill, and we kept aside the river sand so we can lay the pavers back down again later on. So here we are excavating to where the meter is going to go, and the customer would like at the front, but there's obviously rules that Sydney Water would like so they can read the meter in the future, and this is it, or this is where it's going to go. So the next photo is going to show us basically what we had to work with the water coming in. We were going to have to freeze the water. I don't know if you guys have seen that before, but they use liquid nitrogen to freeze the actual pipes. You can cut the pipes, it works as like a big frozen plug in the pipe. But on this stage we didn't need to use that because someone in their infinite wisdom decided to put a ball valve there. So we isolated the water there, and we just had to do a small manipulation of the pipe and just basically fabricate a manifold to send the water from that position underneath that fence post back across to the original place the water was intended. So this is us after using that pipe. We've just uncovered and made sure it was going in the right direction, and basically there's a stormwater pipe there, so we didn't need to disturb that, and left that intact throughout the whole job. This is where we needed to make most of the work. That pipe coming from the left of screen is going to be our service coming into our new water meter, and the pipe disappearing underneath my boots is going to be the main supply into our customer's house underneath his driveway. So that is the finish of the job. I didn't take photos of the copper pipe, but I assure you the person has water, otherwise they'd be complaining right now. The next photo is going to show you where the water meter finished up, with all the new tap and pipe work going to and from. We decided that the next photo is going to show you just another shot of where it is, and the final one, we decided that a garden tap at the front of his house for washing down his car was a good idea. That was his wife's idea because she said that his car is filthy. So that was the job we did at Stanmore in the inner west of Sydney. It wasn't a big job at the end of the day, and the customer was extremely happy, and the neighbour could get on with their building. Thanks again from Dr. Drip, and we'll see you on the next one.